But what if I told you the thing quietly destroying your wealth is something you use every single day? It's not taxes, it's not lifestyle inflation, it's not even debt. It's something far more sneaky. And by the time most people realize it, they've already lost tens of thousands of dollars. Today, I'm breaking down the #1 wealth killer hiding in plain sight, why almost everyone falls for it, and how you can escape it. Let's get started. Let me ask you a question. What is the thing most people buy that instantly starts losing value the moment they pay for it? Most people guess a phone, clothes, or other gadgets, but no. The real answer is your car. In almost every country, people spend more money on cars than almost anything else besides housing. And here's the scary part. Cars quietly eat your money in 5 different ways, and most people only notice one. We live in a world where everything is getting expensive. Car prices, insurance, fuel, repairs, taxes, and worst of all, interest rates. A car that cost $20,000 10 years ago now easily costs $30,000 or more. But incomes, they didn't grow the same way. So people are financing cars for 5, 6, even 7 years. That means many people are driving cars they don't actually own. Let's break this down with a simple example. You buy a Honda for $30,000. You think it's reliable, it's safe, it'll last. But watch what happens. In year 1, its value drops to $24,000. By year 3, it's $18,000. By year 5, it's down to $12,000. You didn't notice it, but your car just quietly burned thousands in value while you were driving to work. And this brings us to the real killer, depreciation, the invisible money drain. Depreciation is the silent tax that destroys people financially. You don't feel it, you don't see it. You don't pay it monthly, but it's always happening. Cars lose 40 to 60% of their value in the first 3 years, even if you treat them perfectly. That means everyone buying new is basically agreeing to lose money fast. So how do wealthy people avoid this trap? They buy cars that are 2 to 4 years old. They've already taken the heavy depreciation hit. They still look and drive like new, and they cost 30 to 40% less. This is the sweet spot. You avoid the biggest loss while getting the same utility. Wealthy people don't always buy new cars, but they always buy smart cars. Most people think a car's cost is just the price. Nope, you're also paying for registration, road tax, inspection fees, sales tax, and documentation fees. This adds hundreds or thousands of dollars every single time you buy. And here's the part no one talks about: interest. A $30,000 car at a normal interest rate. You're not paying $30,000, you're paying closer to $36,000 to $40,000 over time. Interest turns your car into a mini mortgage. It's like agreeing to burn money slowly, every month, for years. Then there's fuel. Most people don't track fuel costs, but they should. If you drive 15,000 miles a year, you might be spending $150 to $200 per month. That's up to $2,400 a year or $24,000 over a decade. Fuel doesn't feel expensive day to day, but long term, it's brutal. Now, here's the real reason cars are the #1 wealth killer. It's opportunity cost. Let's say you spend $600 a month on a car payment, fuel, and insurance. If instead you invested that same $600 into the S&P 500 for 10 years, you'd end up with around $110,000. Your car, worth maybe $7,000, that's not just money spent, that's wealth lost. Because every dollar going into a car is a dollar not building your future. The world tells you to buy the car you deserve, but wealth doesn't come from looking rich. It comes from avoiding the traps that keep others poor. If you want to get ahead, be smart, buy wisely. And never forget, the cars you drive today shouldn't stop you from the life you want tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.